This is just a quick video announcement to give you a heads up on a new project I'll be rolling out over the spring months. The project will cover constructing a series of miniature shops, and of course I intend to share every detail with you with lots of techniques, tips, and tricks. Starting on March 1st, I'll kick off the event with a video tutorial on how to make miniature glass display cases. The first tutorial will be followed every couple of weeks by tutorials covering other miniature goodies you might find in Paris shops. All of these tutorials will lead up to creating the shops themselves, which will include a chocolate shop, a cafe, a house of fashion, a florist, a bookstore, and an apothecary. With each video, there's going to be special giveaways of my work that's related to this project at Alpha Stamps, plus giveaways on my blog and free project-related images. So I hope you'll enjoy these series of tutorials.